ಆಹ್ವಾನಿತರೆ, ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತ ಬಂಧು ಭಗಿನಿಯರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮಹತ್ವಾಕಾಂಕ್ಷಿ ಯೋಜನೆ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮತ್ತು ಉದ್ಯೋಗ, ಇದರ ಒಂದು ನಿರಂತರ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಟೆಡ್, and what is this additional graduation? But I would like to make a difference. 4 ವರ್ಷ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಓದಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಕಾರಣದಿಂದೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರಣ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲೋ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಓದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, 4 ವರ್ಷ ಓದಿ 4 ತಿಂಗಳು ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊರತೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. The need of finishing, the need of employability skills that is required. In 4 years, during our graduation, we promote knowledge and skills both together. But what is the emphasis that is being given for skills? ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯವರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಭ್ರಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯವರು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಊರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Industry do not want to go to Tier 2 and Tier 3 city. Institutes have not been able to provide the design the program in such a way that ultimately the students are to be benefited. ಯಾವುದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಂಜುಂಡಪ್ಪ ವರದಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ತಾಲೂಕುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದು ಗುರುತಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೋಸ್ 114 ತಾಲೂಕಾಸ್, we wanted to see the students who have graduated from these engineering colleges, if they do not have access to the industry, why is the gap? Can we create an opportunity for them? And the government of Karnataka has created that opportunity, and I am very happy that people from North Karnataka have used this opportunity effectively. ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, we have to use this talent and we have to also establish saying that we do not want to carry the tag of backwardness for a long time and the responsibility lies on us. pull in resources in those areas where we create opportunities. And also I request you, you should not be on a job for a very long time. You should go back to the place and be a micro entrepreneur and create more jobs for the people who are in those areas. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ accessibility ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ accessibility ಅಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We are happy Dr. Maheshappa will be announcing that we will be telling you on this point. For the first time, Vishwesvaraya Technological University and Government of Karnataka felt that if industries are not going to these tier 2 and tier 3 cities, maybe Hunnabad, Hospet, or a place like Bhalki, Bidar, we will create a platform where industry will come to the common platform and students are brought there, and for the first time we created a skill and job fair for especially Gulbarga region in Gulbarga last month on 5th and 6th of March. Only when we create opportunities, only when we provide opportunities, the students can excel in the field. This is a day of graduation. The entire program of Karnataka Vocational Training and Skill Development Corporation is of twin objectives. Today there is unemployment because of the deficit of skills. ಇವತ್ತು ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. There is no paucity of jobs today. The talented, skilled manpower is not available for the industry. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ the Skill Corporation has taken this important venture of providing training. I am confident once you are trained, your competency, your capability, your confidence level will increase, and in turn the training has to converge with employment. When we started the first batch in 2009-10, in the first batch I had come for the interaction with the students then. From that 50% we have reached to 77% of placement. That is not enough Venkatesh. We want 100% placement. If people are trained in your institute, all will get jobs. This should be our effort, and only who want jobs, they should come for training. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಕು, ಅವರು ಅವರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ತರಬೇತಿಗೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದರ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ₹1 ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀಯಾ? ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ government is investing, and this investment should be asset. This investment should lead for economic growth. With this reason, we want to empower people not by giving some lollipops, not by giving some shortcuts, but providing them the skills, empowering them with confidence level. And this skill which leads to employment and economic growth is the initiative of Government of Karnataka, and I am very happy institutions like RIIT, which is a pioneer in the field of finishing concept, should take lead and should take a bigger lead also. I have been always telling on behalf of Government of Karnataka to RIIT, they should not be in Mysore, they should be in Gulbarga, they should be in Hubli, they should be in Ballari. ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಗೆ 77 ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರಬಾರ್ದಂತಲ್ಲ, we can cover more. That is the need. Vishweshwaraya Technological University is looking ahead on various aspects of taking the initiative of skill development and placement, kind support, involvement, and your active participation. We would like to see that this initiative, which has started from 50 students, we should reach in a very short time, be able to cover at least 500 students every year, so that more students from this backward region will be benefited, and thereby the country's progress, and we will be also in the forefront of skill development employment. I am very happy to see that people who are all the way from Bangalore, away from Bangalore also they have come. I know the difficulty. When we are joining you, it is very difficult to ask for one day leave also. ನೀವು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿನೋ ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಿನೋ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.